This is Ali. He has no savings, no inheritance, no rich uncle. Just a dream to make $1 million from scratch. Sounds impossible, maybe to most, but not to him, because Ali believes something powerful. Success isn't about where you start, it's about how far you're willing to go. Ali lives in a tiny rented room in a crowded city. Every morning, he hears people chasing their dreams while he feels stuck, but not anymore. Today, he's stepping out with nothing but determination. No excuses, no fear, just the mission. Turn $0 into $1 million. Ali starts small. He searches online for free stuff. Things people throw away, but others might buy. Old phones, unused furniture, forgotten gadgets. He picks up an old bookshelf, fixes it, and sells it for $20. It's not much, but it's something. His first win, his first taste of progress. Ali doesn't stop. He signs up on freelancing websites, offers to do tasks for neighbors, helps a friend, market a local event, earns another $30. He learns skills from YouTube at night, video editing, content writing, social media management. By the end of the first week, Ali's earned $150. Slow? Maybe. But remember, the journey to $1 million starts with $1. But it's not all wins. Ali gets scammed once, wastes time chasing a fake gig. He skips meals to save money, sleeps less, people mock him. It's a stupid dream. Why don't you get a real job? Ali hears it all, but instead of giving up, he writes these words on his wall. Regret is louder than failure. That keeps him going. Ali starts tracking everything. His goals, his earnings, his mistakes. He learns the power of compound success, how small wins can snowball into something big. He doesn't have it all figured out, but he has something stronger than money, a reason to rise. And when your why is strong enough, nothing can stop you.